Okay. There's a garage door in your mouth.
A garage door in your mouth. A garage door in your mouth.
There's
A garage door
garage
in
door in your mouth.
mouth.
A garage door in your mouth.
A garage door in your
In
mouth.
your mouth. Let me see that garage door.
In your mouth.
Oh, when did you lose those 2 teeth, Nora?
Yesterday.
A couple days ago.
Were
you excited about it? No. What was the good part about losing teeth, though? Huh? Was it that you had to pay someone, or did someone pay you?
But it was fun.
What was fun? Getting the money?
Yes.
Yep. Are you sick a little bit right now?
Yes.
What do you have?
I don't know.
A case of the poops?
No.
No. A case of the coughs?
No. Yes.
Well, I hope you feel better. I'll see you later, garage door in your mouth. Bye.
Bye.